Reminder, how are you leading yourself? How are you commanding what your day is going to be? You start that with your energetics, with energy, with your beliefs, what you're believing in for you, for your household, for your business. So many businesses, when I work with them, it's always about what they're asking is, what strategy do I need to do? Well, behind the business, it's a person. And that person, what do they believe into? What do they believe that they can have, they can hold, they can multiply, and they can repeat again? It's the energetics of the person. So what are you commanding on today for yourself? Don't worry about what everyone else is doing. Do you for you.